everyone, welcome back from my channel. Today we are going to do the exercises from Cambridge Primary Science Learners Book 4. 4.4 Different Habitats. Focus. Question number 1. Look at picture A. A. Describe the habitat. Very cold with snow and ice. B. Identify the animal. Polar bear. Describe one way that this animal is suited to its habitat. Polar bears have very thick fur to help them keep warm. Question number 2. Look at picture B. A. Describe their habitat. Water. B. Identify the animal. A fish. C. Describe one way that this animal is suited to its habitat. A fish has gills to allow it to take in oxygen and water. Its fins and shape allow it to swim well. Practice. Question number 3. Look at these pictures of the feet of different birds. A. Which bird do you think grips branches of trees? Bird C and B. B. Which bird do you think walks? Bird D. C. Which bird do you think swims? Bird A. D. Give an example of a type of bird that swims. A duck, swan, goose, or other water bird. E. Which bird do you think eats smaller birds and small animals? Bird B. F. Give an example of a type of bird that eats smaller birds and animals. An eagle, falcon, owl, hawk, or other bird of prey. Challenge. Question number 4. Read the text about giraffes, then answer the questions below. Giraffes live in the tropical grassland regions of Africa. It is hot and dry for most of the time. There is grass and trees have small leaves and thorns. Giraffes are suited to this habitat in various ways. There are other animals that eat the leaves of the trees and bushes lower down, but these animals are not as tall as the giraffe. The giraffe can eat the leaves at the tops of the trees. A giraffe has a long, thick tongue which it can curl around a branch and pull the leaves into its mouth. A giraffe's mouth is covered with very thick skin, so the thorns don't hurt it. A giraffe's neck is 3 meters long. A giraffe has a very large heart because it has to pump blood all the way up this long neck to its brain. A. Describe the habitat the giraffe lives in. Tropical grassland with thorn trees. It is hot and dry most of the time. How can the giraffe reach the leaves at the tops of the trees? By using its long neck. C. Describe 2 ways in which the giraffe can eat leaves on thorny trees. A giraffe has a long, thick tongue to cut around branches and bring the leaves to his mouth. Its mouth is covered with very thick skin to protect it from the thorns.